That's better. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. It's been maybe more than a month since I posted a video, but I was pretty busy this month. I was learning digital art. Yeah, and I got one of those digital art tablet thingies. And I was cleaning up and I found these. These are from my childhood when I was younger. So these had some pretty cool drawings, and I thought that I could redraw them in my current style and do them digitally, because that's what I do now, right? So I'm gonna find one drawing out of both of these, and then I'll draw it on paper, scan it or take a photo, and then I'll put it in the computer, and then I'm gonna do it digitally. So, and if you want to check out any of the other digital things I've done last month, you can check out my Instagram. It'll be here or here, wherever I decide to put it later. But yeah, let's start the video. Okay, hi. I am doing a voiceover today, something I usually don't do, but I guess it'll keep you entertained. So when I was looking through this, I found a drawing of Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. Shaggy had like fangs and little blood. So when I was a kid, I don't think I knew the difference between vampires, zombies, werewolves and stuff. So let's just assume I made a monster Shaggy, right? So now I'm older and I know the difference, so I'm just gonna make both of them as vampires. So I'm done with the sketch, and I'll just take a picture and pop it into the laptop. And while I was drawing, I found some old Scooby-Doo comics that I had. So I took a few references from there, like for the hair color and other colors. And making this video was pretty fun, because I don't redraw old art usually. So I might do a part 2, or like maybe a series, I don't know, maybe. And growing up, Scooby-Doo was one of my favorite cartoons. Like, you should be able to tell that because my name is Shubby-Doo, like my channel name. And I've always liked them. I recently rewatched the live action movies, so it was really nice watching them again. And Shaggy and Scooby are by far my most favorite characters out of all of them. Wait, how many are there? 5, right? So these are my favorites. So, and well, growing up, these are the only 2 I would draw. And not bragging, but when I was looking at it, in some of the older versions of Shaggy, he has a line which goes through the t-shirt, like around his armpit. Maybe it's a design or like a seam or something, but I drew that there. I didn't draw it this time because I didn't like it a lot. Yeah, so keen observation skills. And one of the things I've always liked about the Scooby-Doo animations are their amazing backgrounds. It gives you like this, I don't know, it's like an old school kind of thing. So I couldn't make anything like that, but yeah, they're amazing. So if you're wondering, I use Sketchbook for all the digital art I do, and I have a Wacom Intuos. That's the drawing tablet I showed you like way back in the intro. I haven't explored digital art a lot, but if you want to start, I would totally recommend Sketchbook, because it's really minimal and easy to use. Like, it doesn't have a really steep learning curve. And the video is over. I didn't think I could talk for this long, but apparently I can, so I might do voiceovers now. And if you like the video, then you can subscribe and like the video, and yeah, I'll see you next time.